So kids, now it's time for the exercise parts. So we are doing the exercise part of our chapter and it starts with the question answer. The question is answer the following question. So we will answer it, all the questions. Is that clear? We'll be answering the question. The first question is, why does the poet say that the trees are the kindest thing? As the name of our chapter, the trees. Okay, and we have learned how great the trees are, how it is the kindest thing in the nature, what are the things which tree provide to us. And I have already solved the answers for you. You have to give it a look and remember it so that you will be able to do that in your notebook as well as books. So the poet is asking, why does the poet say that trees are the kindest thing? Why trees are the kindest thing? The poet say that the trees are the kindest thing as, so this is a reference which we have taken from the question. The poet says that trees are the kindest thing as they provide shelter, shade, fruits and wood. What are the things they are providing? They are providing us shelter, shade, fruits and wood. Okay, the major things. Next question is, how are trees useful for human beings, cows and birds? In the question it itself is asked for three different, like human beings, cows and birds. Okay, so I have written trees are useful. Trees are useful. Then I have written for particularly for human beings, then for cows and then for birds. For human beings, trees gives shade, food and vegetable. What are the things trees are providing? Trees gives shade, food and vegetable to the human being. For cows, the question has asked been for cows as well. For cow, shade and food. Okay, shade and food are being provided to cow. Why? Because cow is an herbivore, right? Cow is an herbivore. So herbivore what they eat? They eat only plant products. So it is providing food for them. For birds, birds used to live on the trees, right? So trees are home for birds. What they are? Trees are home for birds. So we have seen how different things are being provided by the trees. Okay. Next question is, what do trees yield during spring? In the spring what happens? Trees yield new leaves during spring. So what happens? New leaves comes on the trees in the spring months. So the tree yields new leaves in the spring, during spring. Okay, so this was your third question, and after third question we have our next question, and the next question is, explain the line, they are the last to hold the light. This is a line, they are the last to hold the light. What is the meaning of this line? So I have already put it in the inverted commas. They are the last to hold the light means they are the first to observe the morning rays. They are the first one. When sun rises up, trees are the first to observe the light. And when it is in the evening, the sun sets. Also, when it's evening and the sun is being set, they are the last to hold the sun's light. They were not only just the first one to observe the sunlight, also the last one to hold that light, and that is the meaning of they are the last to hold the light. Okay, now the fifth question, when and for whom do the trees sing lullaby? So lullaby, for whom trees are singing lullaby? Tree sings lullaby for sleepy children at night. So the soft wind, the trickling sound and that wheezing sound from the air when it crosses across a tree is like a lullaby for the sleepy children. This was all about your chapter, the trees. I hope now you have understood the importance of trees, how they are the greatest and kindest thing in the nature, and how are they act as a provider to different organisms like human being, cows, birds, right? So we should not cut or waste trees. We should be the protector of trees. Thank you all for your attention. Thank you so much.